How you doing, guys? Got a couple questions from people or requests as they hear me say I go out to my shed to go get parts, and they're like, "You said you had engines," and I do. I have a bunch of engines. You probably could tell from my videos. I live in the Northeast. Up here, there's a lot of guys that do RJs. So when you find engines or parts, you got to jump on them. I used to be really crazy about it, and scour Craigslist and eBay like crazy. I don't really that much anymore, only because I've got enough junk. Let's just call it that. So somebody had asked me about my engines. So here they are. Here's some of my engines, actually. That's the NOS Clinton I just posted up. That motor in the middle is actually a K91 off a 60 Suburban. The block, the carburetor, everything but the tins and the recoil are original to that engine. It was missing those parts. The tins, the recoil, I picked up off of eBay for, there was a motor, a K91 motor, gear drive. I got it for 15 bucks for like, and then it was like another 15 or 20 bucks for shipping. So for like 50 bucks, I got that motor. The recoil alone is worth 50 bucks. So that's, other than a coat of paint, that is an original 60 Suburban motor. It's been completely gone through, runs, drives. It's a good, tight motor. It's a good motor. That's the motor that I just completed for the RJ. Here's the Clinton I just picked up. Just shoved it in there. Let's see what we got. What do we got over here? Actually, we have another Clinton. That's a 1200 short block. I had that on an RJ at one time. The governor is a little messed up on it. It was racing, or high RPM. So it needed a little work. I just took some parts off it because I had a better Clinton to use for that tractor. So it just ended up there. That's another Clinton. I bought that from a guy in Connecticut. He had his RJ painted like a John Deere tractor, and that was the original motor to the tractor. For whatever reason, he wanted to go to a Kohler motor, so I paid him $15 for that motor. As you can tell, the blower cover is really rotted up, but that engine runs and drives. It runs real good. No smoke, good solid compression. So other than a tin swap and a quick paint job, that would end up on an RJ again. That is a K90, but it has a 3/4 inch long shaft. So the crankshaft on it is like about an inch longer than like a classic motor. So if you were going to use that on an RJ, you just have to nip off the end of the crankshaft. But let's see, sometimes I tag them what they need. Let's see, what is this one? Oil pan. It needs oil pan gasket, a head cleaning, the governor adjustment, and the internals look perfect. And I did that back in June of this year. So that's right, this motor came from the Wheel Horse show. So I kind of went through it just to see what it would need, but I didn't actually refurb it. It's all set and ready to go, basically. And this is another K91. It has a stuck valve, but I took it apart, took a look at it. It's a stuck valve, head gasket, cleaning points, condenser, all that crap. So it's basically ready to rock. So this is some of my engines that I have. I have some more engines over here. That's the big 1600 that's in one of my videos. The white motor is an H55 Tecumseh. That is an older blue clone motor from Harbor Freight that they don't make anymore. It's brand new in the box. I never even opened up I did open the box just to make sure it was okay, but it's never been run. Fully adjustable carburetor on that one too. So, but that's the answer to somebody's question. That is my engine collection, so to speak. I don't really call it a collection because I use them. But I guess maybe we'll make it a quick shed tour. There's the 56. My other 56, which never moves. We have the Panzer. Oh, excuse me, Panzer. What am I talking about? That is the prototype underneath the cover. Obviously the Panzer. And that is my 59 RJ, and as always, the 57. I took the steering wheel off it for the winter time because that steering wheel is a little bit patched up, and it does get cold around here, so I don't feel like having it re-crack. So I popped it off. It's down in the cellar. All right, guys. Thanks a lot for your interest. I appreciate it. Bye.